today let's start with chapter number 5, DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. It is called Land of Dense Forest. यहाँ पे आपको एक घना जंगल, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना बहुत ज्यादा डेंस फॉरेस्ट होता है, वो देखने को। Now look at the shaded region in the world map and they are equatorial region. ये क्या है आपका equatorial region है world का? They lie on both sides of the equator and have hot and wet type of climate throughout the year. Most of these areas have thick evergreen forest, and we can say that Democratic Republic of Congo in Africa is an important country which lies in this region and it was earlier known as Zaire. It became independent in 1960 and its capital is Kinshasa. So, it is the second largest country in Africa with area of about 23.5 lakh square kilometer. Next is, what is DRC? Democratic Republic of Congo. It is almost completely by equatorial forest covered. In terms of climate and vegetation, ये similar है like your Kerala in South India. जैसे आपका केरला है ना, उसकी तरह है. Location की बात करें, it is third largest country in Africa. Most of the country lies in the interior of Africa. इसको हम Republic of Zaire भी कहते हैं, which is between 1971 to 1997. Equator runs from Democratic Republic of Congo, Central Africa Republic and Sudan. They are to the north. Uganda, Rwanda and Tanzania, they are to the east. Zambia and Angola, they are to the south, or Republic of Congo in the north. Now landscape. So the northeastern part of country in mountainous. Margarita is the highest peak in Democratic Republic of Congo. There are several lakes here like Albert, Edward, Kivu, Atan, Naika. These lakes are situated in the eastern part of the country. Then we have climate. Most of Congo has humid, tropical or equatorial climate. Temperatures are hot, so humidity is high and it's rain throughout the year. यहाँ पे जो rainfall होती है वो maximum होती है मार्च and अप्रैल में. This hot and wet climate is unfavorable for people. The damp heat and daily rainfall causes lethargy and these conditions also lead to several diseases. जैसे आपका मलेरिया हो गया, येलो फीवर हो गया, sleeping sickness. Now vegetation and wildlife. So hot and humid climate hunts the plant to grow faster. Land is covered with extensive equatorial forest and the forest have large variety of trees. आपको यहाँ पे large variety of trees और plants देखने को मिलेंगी. और जो trees green रहते हैं throughout the year, what we call them? We call them evergreen trees. Dense growth of creeper and climbers, which is full of flower, and there are important trees like we have rubber, bamboo and palm. Right? Now, forest of DRC is habited to large number of animals, bird, insect, hippopotamus, gorilla, giraffe, chimpanzee, elephant, monkey, baboons. They roam through the forest, right? Alligators, जो रिबर्स होती है वो एलिगेटर्स होते हैं वहाँ पे, बहुत सारे क्रोकोडाइल्स होते हैं. स्पेशल मैमल्स दैट okapi with your head resembling giraffe and bodies resembling zebra are found here. Democratic Republic of Congo, it looks like a gigantic zoo. ये natural zoo है, right? If we talk about its economy, so its natural environment is to earn living, right? If we talk about your domestic agriculture, ये main source of food and income है. Shifting agriculture is the main system of agriculture. इसको हम फाग कहते हैं अफ्रीका में, right? And this type of agriculture, small trees of an area are cut and then burnt, and the crops are planted among their stumps by dropping the seeds into holes, right? Made with pointed stick. The main crop are cassava, yam, maize, banana, groundnuts and vegetables. Most of the farming work is done by women and after 2 or 3 years, people abandon the clearing and make a new one. Forest people such as Bambuti, Pygmies specialize in hunting and fishing. In grassland, people combine agriculture with hunting and fishing. Right? We have foodstuffs such as cereals and fish are important. Coffee, palm oil, rubber and cotton, they are the chief export. If we talk about life of the people, वहाँ के लोगों की life कैसी है? So, they are thinly populated. People live in rural area. They live in houses जो mud और stick के बने with a thatched roof. The Bantus make up the majority of population. Local languages की Bantu है. Pygmies यहाँ के original inhabited है and their population has now decreased and they live in dense forest of Ituri. Right? They use sign language and lead a nomadic life. They rarely eat cooked food. They are fond of music. So drum music and dance are popular form of entertainment. Rice and powered root of cassava, ये basic food है लोगों का, right? ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज जो है वो फ्रेंच है एंड इंपॉर्टेंट सिटीज और कंट्री जो इंक्लूड करती है उसकी कैपिटल का नाम क्या है, किंशासा, राइट? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट DRC. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.